Thomas Phillips was born October 18, 1770, died April 20, 1845. He was a leading English portrait and subject painter. He painted many of the great men of the day, including scientists, artists, writers, poets and explorers. After 1796, he concentrated on portrait painting. However, the field was very crowded, with the likes of John Hoppner, William Owen, Thomas Lawrence and Martin Archer Shee competing for business. Consequently, from 1796 to 1800, his exhibited works were chiefly portraits of gentlemen and ladies, often nameless in the catalogue and of no great importance, historically speaking. In 1825 he was elected Professor of Painting at the Royal Academy, succeeding Henry Fuseli, and, in order to qualify himself for his duties, visited Italy and Rome in company with William Hilton, and also Sir David Wilkie, whom they met in Florence. He resigned the professorship in 1832, and in 1833 published his lectures on the history and principles of painting.